So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, MIZO Education Hub. Video number 15. Wanan I topic pakhat athar chuan hami topic a hen kan continue nga part 1 ai chuan part 2, part 3, part 4 polawam zelanga. Voinomi ka video hi I atir train top thleng and vectorin ka ngen che wa chan ju ain interconnected veka interrelated veka voina zero level train ka start dona eng ma thiam lo le hetiang khoshan la mungai lo shim le la shengai lo shim tu tan pon hemi video hi ka siama chu wangin chadewin le concentrate dewin I hei ka concept shil ka tum zong hi manin lo tum don nya le shia thiamin lo tum don nya hey type wise kan kalanga antinan ama sabara chon basic formula mana hey khoshan vel omang himo chona second a chon average type khoshan nya average type po hi chishang ama antinan ama sa chuan distance hi a constant se distance constant om za chu distance 1 le 2 aninang khatiang ke sa khan 2s1 s2 by s1 plus s2 hetiang formula kan manga chuan time hi a constant se t1 equals to t2 ni chuan s1 plus s2 divided by 2 hi average speed and chain chu antika time a constant chuan Chimza tiang khoshan in move tonga reached late and early tiang I mi papahat school akala chu a speed 15 ania minutes so minute lai emo a speed 25 ani chuan 25 km per hour ani chuan minutes so min athleng ma khatiang khoshan te kha omanga chimza relative speed ania relative speed a chuan thil pani shim omza chu train pakhat le train pakhat direction same direction apo antlan theya chan pakhat helama tlana pakhat ahead on mo amalok trangin akhetiang case pani hi relative speed a kan mangdona hemi concept chimizwa police and thief police in miswala trina amaruk ru uma khatiang khoshan te poka manga police speech unita se miswal speech v nita se moruk ru speech v nita se entikhuna nge daren zata nge emo I distance and zata nge police in miswal chu avaman theidon khatiang khoshan te poka manga train from two terminal and then a station baniom ta se a le b mo train A chu speed in atlananga train B chu V speed in atlananga entikange unwind muang entikange unwind cross ang amo daren zatange unwind cross don amo unwind meet don mo meeting point ang khoshan te poka heta hiana omdona racing a point shianga entian circular track te oma khata mi pani mi pathum ten tlana gunshot in shianga gun pani tangin silai mu panian kap chuaka khami poka T interval time at khatiang khoshan poka ma monkey jumping point shianga monkey climbing zong pahat azuanga meter ni azuang sanga chon meter khataron tol thale thina khatiang khoshan poka ma chon mixed khoshan te po tamdeu kan solve anga chon advanced level khoshan te po kan solve omzia tak chu zero level atangin a basic level train a advanced level thleng kan thiamang chuwan ka video a tir train a top thleng enula formula ka shildon chewa chon concept te le short trick te po ka shildon chewa kami ka in lo zia thei chona thangotang basic information ka shil phot cheunga deadline kan zirto chu enge basic formula chu speed equals to enge ti chuan distance by time kan ti thina tro chumi chu tiang bok chon distance hi enge ti chuan distance enge ti chuan hemi kan multiply omzia chu speed le time hi kan multiply thin chuan time ange ti chuan time equals to distance divided by speed hemi formula hi atir tangin atop thleng kan mangdon unit conversion hi apoi molutuka in ti tur ka shilang cheu kilometer a om chuan hour a om nge dona meter a om chuan second a om don hemi convert dan kan thiamangai mun tam taka chuan hemi point mudon thau kilometer per second emo kilometer per minute ti te hemi poi in mudon chiang lutuk meter per hour ti meter per minute ti te hetiang poi in mudon nakina chuan maseng hemi atam vak lo wan zot vak lo khoshana hen hetiang hen an given lo kan convert anga ni melom convert chu kan thiamalom tuna mitam takin in shia poni mei theya 1 kilometer per hour equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. Hey, maseng khoya train nge local ti chuan. Hey, 1 kilometer per hour anita tra. Chuan 1 kilometer khata meter en zat nge om thin kha 1000 om thin tro meter divided by dar kar khata second en zat nge om thin kha sang thum zaruk second om thin chumi wang chuan hemi 0 le hemi 0 kan cancela hemi 0 le hemi 0 kan cancela enge bang don ta hian 1 multiplied by 10 chu 10 ania by 36 chuan heta meter oma heta second om tro hemi cancel twin kan cancel te tro yes 25 chuan hei 18 zar hei 5 meter per 18 second hemi hinia hemi thil hi ni ta mo hemi hi chu wangin tiang hen kan solve trin le tiang hen kan convert trin 1 meter per second a kilometer per hour engzat nge om ti chuan hour engzat nge om ti chuan 18 by 5 a om trin 18 by 5 a om trin hemi po hi in shia tangai hemi thil hi tuna mi tam takin an ngei tuanga e hemi khoi tren nge lokala hemi po hi ka shilang cheu tuna 1 meter per second a engzat nge kilometer per hour om trin ti chuan 18 by 5 kilometer per hour om trin 1 ania chuan meter by second into thil pahat ka shilang cheu 1000 hi achunga multiply ula 1000 anwaya multiply ula chutiang bok chuan 3600 hi achunga multiply ula 3600 hi anwaya multiply ru tuna thil pahat ka zo tang cheu hei enge 1 hour an lomi hei 1 hour an lomi second sang thum zaruki 1 hour ania chu wangin hemi I hian 1 hour kan zia kang heta 1 hour chu tiang bok chuan thil pakhat min shilleula hemi 1000 meter hi 1000 meter hi ange kan zia thei 1 kilometer kan zia theiam kan thei tro chu wang chuan enge bang don hata chunga hian 1 le 3600 bang dona chuan 1 kilometer banga divided by chuan hnuaya 1000 banga chuan 1 hour hi abang 0 le 0 kan cancela 0 le 0 kan cancel 36 hi 2 in kan kata 18 10 hi 5 in kan kat enge kan muta hian 18 by 5 kan muwa chuan hemi kilometer hi heta kilometer ania divided by hemi hour hi hei hour chu wang chuan 1 meter per second hi 18 by 5 kilometer per hour kan te trin so in shia tur chu 1 kilometer per hour chu 5 by 18 meter per second ania 1 meter per second ti chuan 18 by 5 kilometer per hour hemi hi a important lutuk hemi mo achan ju question kan solve na hemi hi kan mangchang kai don tuna question number 1 kan nanga the speed of a car is 54 kilometer per hour what is its speed in meter per second tuna han ka soi zo chia tro 1 kilometer per hour equals to enzat 5 by 18 meter per second ani ta tro hemi 1 kilometer per hour hi 5 by 18 meter per second ani chuan 54 kilometer per hour hi enzat nge ni don 54 kilometer per hour hi kan thla kanga 54 chuan kilometer per hour hi enzat 5 by 18 meter per second a value hi kan da hemi value hi so tuna kan solve ani MILO 54 into 5 by 18 18 3 zar anita so 3 into 5 to 15 meter per second 15 meter per second is our answer tiang hian kan solve trin tuna second question hitro the speed of a car is 20 meter per second chen ka soi zo chian chira han 1 meter per second a 18 by 5 kilometer per hour om trin hemi question a hian what is its speed in kilometer per hour inti aju meter per second kha kilometer per hour a kan zon chuangai kan convert angai so 20 meter per second hi antinge kan ti tai 20 into 1 meter per second chu 18 by 5 kilometer per hour so tuna kan solvang tahian 5 table 20 oma 5 4s so 4 into 18 chu enzat 72 kilometer per hour tiang hen kan solve chen antinan 36 kilometer per hour hi meter per second a thlak tur ani chuan 36 into 5 by 18 meter per second kan tituang ngadi meter per second asan ju kan thlak to 5 by 18 kan ziak to so 18 twos are chuan 2 into 5 chu 10 meter per second tiang hian an ti thin chuan meter per second hi antinan 40 meter per second hi kilometer per hour a convert don chuan 40 kan tia chuan 18 by 5 kilometer per hour tuna 5 enzat zar nge 8 zar anita 5 8 zar 40 nita tro chuan 8 into 18 table in thiam 18 8 zar 144 ani thin table jin thiam ai tiang hian a man crosses a road 250 meters wide in 75 seconds. His speed in kilometer per hour is okay. Ama sabera question a distance a given a distance you enzat nge 250 meters ania chumizwa second 75 seconds you time ania time enzat 75 second hata ange azo his speed in kilometer per hour inti chuwangin speed hi ange formula kha distance by time aniam distance chu zani somngania chuan a time kha 75 25 3s are omzia chu 10 by 3 hemi 10 by 3 hi meter per second ania hemi thili kilometer per hour a convert turin ange kan ti thin ka 18 by 5 in can multiply chuan 5 table 10 oma 5 2s are 3 table 18 oma 3 6 are so 2 le 6 multiply chu en zat nge 2 le 6 multiply chu 12 so 12 will be our answer. Tuna question number 4 here. An airplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour in 5 hours. Mo ange given ti chuan speed a oma speed chu a given 240 km per hour chuan time po a given time chu 5 hours ania. To cover the same distance in 5 by 3 hours, it must travel at a speed of 90. Caution in speed azota. Maseng speed kan nei turin enge nei ngai speed nei turin or chu speed zone turin distance nei ngai chon time distance kan nei time chu kan nei distance kan nei lo tro chumi wang jon het tang hen distance kan zong distance chu nge speed into time aniam chon speed hi nge 240 kilometer per hour ania chon time hi nge 5 hours chon kan solve wanga 240 into 5 chu 012 sangkha zani chu enge hour le hour chu cancel anga kilometer chi abanga so chon distance unit hi kilometer ne sangkha zani kilometer hi a distance kan nei to tuna hemi 3 distance hi ta anda tonga so speed will be equals to sangkha zani by tuna time hi enge hey 5 by 3 so 5 divided by 3 voi tam tak ka sei to anwaya ratio om chuan a denominator kha achunga chhodei zel so 1200 into 3 divided by 5 enge answer hemi le hemi kan cancel 240 5 into 240 chu sangkha zaninia chuan 240 into 3 chu zasari le somni achan ju 24 into 3 is 72 118 so our answer will be 720 inshia thiam lo takin question number 4 voi khat kalau shilfia le chonga ama saberan question chiarula an airplane covers a certain distance enti to chuan distance kan shelauti nani chumo certain distance enti chuan at a speed of enzat speed chu zanile somli ania kilometer per hour chuan time po given 5 hour formula nge kha distance equals to speed into time ania so distance equals to speed chu enzat zani somli into time enzat 5 kan multiplying 24 5s are zale somni nia so hemi 0 ya topa ka bel tinani so distance ania a unit kilometer achan ju question hai kilometer chumizwa speed zone turania dar kareng zata 5 by 3 ya so speed equals to distance by time ania distance chuan zat nge sang kha zaninia chuan time chuan zat nge ti chuan 5 by 3 in shianga a by b le c by d ani chuan alai mi pani kan multiply ya chuan a le d hi kan multiply thin anwai berami hi chunga chhotrin chuan alai mi pani chu anwai kan ziak hemi ati dan nia chuan hemi 3 hi achunga chhode nga sangkha zani multiplied by 3 by 5 24 zar za somni nia so 240 into 3 chuan zat nge zasari le somni hemi question kan enanga Rahul goes Delhi to Pune Delhi atangin Pune akala mo Delhi atangin Pune akala azina emo engpoti thei kha chu kan shelawa at a speed of 50 kilometer per hour akallam khan 50 kilometer per hour ania chon and comes back at the speed of 75 kilometer per hour and chona laulet lama khan a speed kha 75 kilometer per hour anito enge khoshana azo average speed of the journey average speed average in zir tonga a plus b plus c by 3 ani thin thil pathum thil pali ani chuan a plus b plus c plus d by 4 ani thin ma seng hemi concept thi khatiang khani velo heta hen distance a constant tihian kan tiang enge average speed formula kha total distance by total time tro total distance by total time ania total distance kan shalawa x angin ngai ila chu wangin kallampo x ania ronlet lampo x chu wangin x plus x 2x chuan total time hi ange total time ange ti chuan distance by speed hemi 50 plus distance by hemi 75 hi hemi 75 ma ti hian kan ti trin so x paniom chuan 2x divided by x by heta LCM kan langa cross multiplication velin tuna hemi x hi common kan langa x common kan lak chuan achunga 1 by 15 ya chuan 1 by 75 x le x kan cancel a hemi thile ta an ziak nga 2 divided by x chu am tolo ni kan cancel to 1 by 50 plus 1 by 75 LCM kan lang 75 hemi nen kan multiply thina 50 hemi nen kan multiply chuan hemi te pani kan multiply so 2 divided by 1 le 75 multiply chuan 75 ania 50 le 1 multiply chuan 15 nia chuan anwaya 50 into 75 tuna heta hian 2 divided by 75 le somnga chu za somni panga ania chuan divided by 50 into 75 hemi thil hi heta chunga chhode nga chan chu ratio a noi mi denominator hi khita achunga chhode zel heta ngan zia kanga 2 into 50 into 75 divided by 125 tuna 25 3s are 25 5s are 5 table are 50 5 10s are tuna 3 into 10 30 30 into 2 and that 60 kilometer per hour hemi kan answer 60 kilometer per hour hemi khoshana takhian lom in buai vak lonan trick pakhata oma for the same distance distance ala zong anin an chuan omzia chu enruo Delhi atangin Pune akalatro chen Pune atangin Delhi atangin Pune le Pune atangin Delhi kha ala zong anin ang veve chumi chu same distance constant distance ani wangin hemi hi kati tak in notebook aziak nge ro hun hi aeng lo don lutuk mo trikani wangin hun tlem te chewala don average speed equals to 2 s1 s2 by s1 plus s2 omzia chu s1 hi speed 1 ania chuan s2 hi speed 2 heta hian value da chinang s1 khan zat nge somnga s2 khan zat nge 75 divided by s1 plus s2 chu somnga le somsari panga chu zale somni panga ne hem zale somni panga hi heta daila to 75 tebula 25 oma on 25 3 za 75 ne 25 5 zar ania 5 table som nga oma 5 10 zar tuna hemi 10 le hemi 3 kan multiply 30 ne chon hemi 30 le hemi 3 kan multiply and zat nge 60 km per hour ole tizong hinia voina class chu chon hemi hi a basic question ania nakina jon question har do to polom dona trick to po kala shil don chewa ka videos te ya tir train top thleng and thinula shia thiam hi ahar in time I thenga ain interconnected ve ka chon ka channel hi la subscribe lo tu tan subscribe veula chon notification bell te ka onula question chadau do kalula pause zelanga met sa po hian chon ka next video en lo en lenge nge don ya kalome